Guys, welcome back to my channel. So this week we are going to start with one of my favorite series which Hotwheels rolled out right now, which is this rolling metal series. I'm personally not a fan of Zamac castings because it's just bare metal, but this particular series caught my eye because it is a bit catchy, eye candy you can say. So I bought this for 179, just the MRP. So let's do the unboxing and let's see how this one actually looks in the hand. So I bought it from a different shop actually. The guy who actually looted everything, he left this casting out. So lucky for me, I didn't had this casting until that point. So I went ahead and bought it. Okay, here it is. Okay, the first impressions of this car, it is a bit heavy. Excuse. So as you see, this is a Zamac casting and the paint job will be like that only. I can't say anything for that. That is common. And it does have this engine detailing which is really cool. So yeah, the livery is here which looks really nice. But they don't paint the headlights or taillights, which is a little bit disappointing. I'm a bit disappointed on this one. But apart from that, the rest of the casting looks really nice. So the body is metal, as you can see, and the chassis is plastic. Okay, I don't know if it has any interior detailing to it. Even I can't see. Every side it is actually chromed out or blocked, so I'm not able to see it. But it does look really nice. I personally like it. I don't know, I'm thinking about displaying the casting, but let's see. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. Okay, somewhere it is okay, somewhere it is getting hit. I'm not sure where. Maybe no. Somewhere the casting is rubbing, with the track here. I'm not sure where it is. See, as you can see here, while it is reversing, or yeah, somewhere in this part it is getting in contact with the track. It rolls okay, but because of that particular issue, it is not able to complete that run. But if you're keeping it as a showpiece, this is going to look really beautiful in the showcase. So my personal suggestion would be go with it. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.